Are you a physical book reader but you are seriously considering Kindle, but you cannot decide if Kindle is the right option for you?
Listen to this for the advantages of having a Kindle. Baka it might help you to decide if you will get Kindle or not. Portability. Kindle allows you to carry thousands of books in a single lightweight device. So kahit saan ka magpunta, walang extra weight for you at wala ka ring excuse na hindi magbasa. Customizable reading experience. You can adjust the font size, the typeface, the lighting based on your personal preference. So it's a very helpful, especially para dun sa mga tao na may mga vision impairments. Katulad ko, mahirap na ako magbasa. So, wherever you go, kahit sa mga dark places, pwede kang magbasa ng hindi masakit sa mata. Kindle comes with a lot of helpful tools. So one of my favorite is the dictionary because it's important for me to know the meaning of unfamiliar words right away, right there and then pag nagbabasa ka. So you just have to long press the word and magpa-pop up na yung meaning. Other tools available in Kindle are the highlighter. You can use that. There's also the bookmark and also notes. You can take down notes whenever you want. So those are the things that you will enjoy kung may Kindle ka. Accessibility. Kindle allows you an access to a huge catalog of available titles in Amazon. So you don't have to go to bookstore or wait for delivery pag mag-order ka ng books because pag may Kindle ka, you just have to open it and choose the books that you want and you can read right away. Cost effective. Ebooks are generally cheaper compared to hardcovers. Many of them are even free. So again, you just have to choose from the library ng Kindle. So again, there's no excuse for you not to read kasi it's all available for you. Kindle comes with monthly subscription. It's called Kindle Unlimited and it will cost you around 700 monthly. There are thousands of choices labeled Kindle Unlimited, so you can just borrow books. That's what they call it. You can borrow books with, and you can borrow as much as 15 titles in a month. So kung talagang mahilig na mahilig ka magbasa, it's worth it kasi 700 will go a long, long way. If there is only one disadvantage of Kindle, it would be wala siyang amoy ng bagong libro na gustong-gusto nating lahat. So there you have it, all the advantages of having a Kindle. I hope I was able to help you decide if Kindle is the right option for you or not.